Welcome to your own nursing channel, Nursing Talks and Tips with Mukta. In today's video, we are going to know about the two most important vaccines that are released by Government of India for the vaccination purpose. Hereby, we'll understand the similarities and the differences between the two vaccines. So let's deep dive into the video. So friends, we are going to talk about the two important vaccines, that is Covaxin versus Covishield. Here we will talk about all the similarities and the differences among them. So let's see. First of all, we'll be talking about the manufacture. So Covishield is a Oxford AstraZeneca's vaccine which is released by or made by the Oxford University, and it is manufactured by Serum Institute of India, Pune. While talking about Covaxin, Covaxin is a purely Indian vaccine which is manufactured by Bharat Biotech Limited with ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, as well as National Institute of Virology. All the three companies or institutions togetherly are working towards the manufacturing of Covaxin. Next, we'll be talking about the content of both the vaccines. So, the first we'll see Covishield. Covishields mainly contain a chimpanzee adenovirus, which is called as ChAdOx1, and this vaccine is basically kept in an inactivated format, which helps in modifying and carrying the COVID-19 spike protein into the cells of the human. While talking about Covaxin, Covaxin doesn't contain a adenovirus. It basically contains an inactivated virus of COVID virus strain. But this strain is mainly in a weaker form, which goes into the body of a person where they do not create any infection in the person, but still help in preparing the immunity, developing the immunity, and building up the defense mechanism in the body of an individual. Talking about the dose and route. So both the vaccines, that is Covishield versus Covaxin, have the dose of 0.5 milliliters in a single dose, while Covishield is given in the interval of 6 to 8 weeks. So after taking the first dose, you have to wait around 6 to 8 weeks for the second dose. And here the route will be your intramuscular, and that is mainly in the deltoid muscle. Talking about Covaxin again, so here also the dose will be 0.5 ml. It will also be given in the intramuscularly in the deltoid muscle, but here the interval between the two doses will be 4 to 6 weeks. Next, talking about the storage methods, how you are going to store both the vaccines. So both the vaccines should be stored at a temperature of 2 -2 to 8 degrees Celsius. We should not fridge any of the vaccines, and we have also to keep it away from the direct sunlight. Once opened, the vial should always be used within 6 hours, and it must be discarded at the end of the day. So you cannot keep the same vial reusing after and after until it is finished. You have to use it maximum up to the period of 6 hours, and at the end of the day you can destroy or you can discard the vial, open vial. Talking about the side effects, so we all know there are various kind of side effects of the vaccines, but they are generally in a very minor condition. So the minor side effects that we have seen till now is headache, nausea and vomiting, myalgia, that is a muscle pain, arthralgia, that is a joint pain in individuals, then anorexia nervosa, and fever is the most common symptom which is seen in various individuals after the vaccination process. Now we'll be talking about the different phases of COVID vaccination in India. So till now the vaccination process in India has been started in 4 phases. Okay, so it has been done through 4 phases. So the first phase started in the month of 16th January 2021, and this phase mainly focused on the frontline health worker vaccination. Second phase was started from 1st March 2021, and this phase or this stage has basically focused on the individuals who are above 60 years of age. Third phase was started on 1st April 2021, and it focused on 45 people above 45 years of age. Lastly, the fourth phase was started on 1st May 2021, where the vaccination process was started for above 18 years of age of individuals. So these are the different phases of COVID vaccination in India. So I think it is quite important. So you should also remember these points. Next, we'll be know about the different phases of vaccine trial. So whenever a vaccine is produced or manufactured by any company, so there are various trial phases that a vaccine needs to go through. So basically there are four phases through which a vaccination trial is on. So the first phase is preclinical phase, where the vaccine trial is done over the lab animals to see the effects of the vaccine. Then comes phase 1 clinical trial, where a very small number of participants are selected from the population and the vaccination is done so as to assess the immune response of the individual and also to determine the right dose for the vaccination purpose. Then comes phase 2 clinical trial. Here we have to select few hundred participants, that the number of participants should be more than the phase 1, and we have to select 100 of participants, and for a short duration of time we have to assess their ability and we have to determine the correct dose of the vaccination that has to be given to every individual. And the last one is the phase 3 clinical trial, where a huge number, that is thousands of participants are selected, and it is done to determine the effectiveness of the vaccine against the disease and its safety in the large group of people. So after this after the phases of clinical trial, the vaccine is then approved by Government of India so as to give to the individuals. Now, one of the most important thing that we are facing now, everyone, there is a question in everyone's mind that which vaccine is more effective, whether we should take Covishield or we should go for the Covaxin. So, talking about this myth, Covishield and Covaxin, both the vaccines are equally effective, as well as they are mostly helpful in reducing the risk and the severity of infections and mortality related to the COVID-19 disease. We can say both the vaccines have their efficiency of around 70 to 80% after the first dose, and this efficiency of the vaccination increases up to 90% after the second dose. So you have to complete your first and second dose, both the doses you have to complete in order to get proper protection from the COVID-19 disease. So I hope this video will be quite helpful for you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I put up a new video for you. Thank you.